live on the moon. It's very cold in here.
I'm conducting an experiment measuring the exothermal properties of hydrogen in sub-zero temperatures.
Mum is playing with cold things. It's all very scientific.
Stay back, Cosmo. The slightest mistake could ruin the whole experiment.
We thought you hard workers could do with a drink. I made water. Well, poured water. Well, salted.
My experiment! Months of work. Gone.
Lovely drinks. Gone.
Mummy's sad.
It's okay. It was only water. But it's frozen all over my experiment. It looks like an ice rink now.
An ice rink?
For ice skating. I used to love ice skating. Like a ballerina dancing on ice. Well, I'm too busy for ice skating these days. Gil, how long would it take to reset experiment conditions?
Around 7 months, 4 days, 11 hours, 22 minutes and 43 seconds.
I'm sure I can find a quicker way.
Your mum is the best ice skater I've ever seen. Even better than me. And I'm pretty fantastic. I have very strong ankles.
I wish I could go ice skating.
I've got it! To finish my experiment sooner, I just need to take it somewhere incredibly cold. One of the coldest planets.
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we going today? Where are we going to play? Where are we going today?
Mercury, Venus.
Earth or Mars?
So many planets out there in the stars. Jupiter, Saturn.
Uranus too.
Don't forget Neptune.
I never do.
Where are we going today? Where are we going to play? Where are we going today? Where are we going today?
We're all going to Neptune, one of the ice planets. I'll prepare my equipment.
An ice planet? Cosmo, there must be loads of places to ice skate there.
Do you think so?
Oh, there must be.
Let's find out about Neptune.
Hello, Cosmo. Cian here.
This astronomer is going to tell us all about the planet Neptune, so pay attention.
This is the solar system, and these are the planets. This one at the end is called Neptune. Neptune is a big blue planet. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. That makes Neptune terribly cold, one of the ice giant planets. So remember, Neptune is a big blue planet, farthest from the sun, and it's very cold.
Could you please help me remember that? Neptune is a big blue planet, farthest from the sun, and it's very cold. Thanks. Cosmo out.
Right, everything's ready.
And are you ready for ice skating?
Begin launch sequence. Past all the other planets towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune.
Our cold and windy friend. So beautifully blue.
Oh, what a lovely view.
But farthest from the sun.
Makes it cold
For me and you. Past all the other planets towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune, our cold and windy friend.
Neptune. That's not Neptune, that's Jupiter. Neptune is very different. Will you help me show Neptune to Sol? Great! Let's draw Neptune. Neptune is round. But what colour is planet Neptune? Yellow, red, or blue? Which crayon would I need? Blue. Neptune is a blue planet. That's right. This is what Neptune looks like, Sol. Neptune is a blue planet. Blue planet. Yes, like that planet. Oh, that is Neptune. Neptune is a blue planet, farthest from the sun, and it's very cold.
So everyone needs to wrap up warm.
Imagine an ice rink, disco lights. Well, they might not have disco lights, but as long as it's smooth and solid, we'll be able to skate.
Who is flying the ship?
The ship? Oh, the ship! Oh. Entering Neptune's atmosphere now, all under control.
Neptune is beautiful. So blue, so windy and swirly. Oh, I can't wait to go ice skating. Swish, swish. Swish, swish. No swish.
That's not smooth and solid.
Be careful, everyone. The surface of Neptune isn't solid. Gil, please extend the platform.
Extending now. Thank you. For saying please, I mean. It's only good manners, but it's still nice.
Not solid. It's not like an ice rink at all. It's not even like the hard ground at home.
Neptune's surface isn't solid. It's all smushy and mushy. Hey, that's something amazing to tell your friends. Neptune's surface isn't solid. Amazing!
But not very good for skating.
Very sad. Swish, swish. If only there was some way of ice skating out here.
Well, no point in complaining, unless there's a Neptune complaints department, which I don't think there is. To cheer us up, I brought water for everyone. Whoa! Don't worry, I'm fantastic at not slipping on ice. Ouch!
Whoa! Ow! Ouch!
Just need to bring this very delicate equipment down to Mum.
Watch out, Gil! It's very... slippy. Slippy like an ice rink. The water has frozen and turned to ice. Dad, we can go skating on the ice!
Oh, we couldn't skate on a patch of ice as small as this, Cosmo. For a big ice rink, we'd need lots of water.
Gil, how much water have we got?
Approximately 5.7968.
Gil, is it lots?
Yes.
Beginning experiment.
What now?
Now we wait.
Oh, if I'd known we'd be waiting, I'd have brought a book. Well, we can enjoy the peace and quiet.
Surprise!
My experiment! Not again!
Go, Dad!
Well, I wasn't going to ruin it twice, was I?
An ice rink. Ice skating.
Whoa! Whoa!
Take my hand.
I might fall.
You might, but you'll get better.
I don't know, Mum. I don't think I can do it.
You can do anything, Cosmo.
Really?
Of course.
Really? I can do it!
That's right! Would you like to skate, Sol?
Take my hand. Woo! Everybody happy. Awake up! Awake!
What? Oh dear, is there danger?
The experiment was a success, Gil. You did very well.
I did? Really? I mean, oh, yeah, of course. I am a supercomputer, you know.
Begin launch sequence. Past all the other planets, towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune.
Our cold and windy friend, so beautifully blue.
Oh, what a lovely view.
But farthest from the sun,
Makes it cold.
for me and you. And we learned something amazing today. Neptune doesn't have a solid surface. It's all mushy. Past all the other planets, towards the solar system's end. The
ice giant Neptune, our cold and windy friend.
I love ice skating.
Me too. Thank you, Dad.
Mission complete.
Now, would anyone like a drink before bed?
Drinks? I'll get them.
Cosmo, Cosmo, Planet Cosmo. Oh, hello, it's me, Cosmo. I live on the moon. Dad and I have been out collecting moon rocks for Mum.
We're the best ever at getting moon rocks. Best at finding rocks, picking rocks up, holding rocks, looking at rocks.
Mum, we brought rocks for your experiment.
Well done, Cosmo. Now,
Activating core B. Please stand by. System error.
What's wrong, Mum?
Gil's had a very nasty crash. I better contact Mission Control.
It's okay. I'm feeling much better now. Warning, dumping core memory. No, you're right. Better tell Mission Control.
Mission Control is sending out a technician, but it could be a while.
Oh,
That's the end of my experiment until Gil's fixed.
I am sorry. So unlike me. I am a supercomputer, you know.
so what do we do now?
We wait, I suppose.
If you have no work to do, we could go on holiday.
Holiday? I love holidays.
That's a great idea.
Holiday!
But where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we going today? Where are we going to play? Where are we going today?
Mercury, Venus,
Earth or Mars?
so many planets out there in the stars. Jupiter, Saturn,
Uranus too.
Don't forget Neptune.
I never do. Where are we going today? Where are we going to play? Where are we going today? Where are we going today?
Good place for a holiday. The city of Paris or Rome? Venice. Oh, I love Venice.
Planet Venus it is.
No, I said Venice, not Venus.
Venus, Venus. Let's find out about Venus. The observatory, please.
Patching you through now.
Hello, Cosmo. Cian here.
This astronomer is going to tell us all about the planet Venus. So pay attention.
This is the solar system, and these are the planets. This one is called Venus. Venus is yellow. Venus is about the same size as Earth, where everyone watching today lives. Venus is incredibly hot, the hottest planet in the solar system. So remember, Venus is a yellow planet, same size as Earth, and it's incredibly hot.
Could you please help me remember that? Venus is a yellow planet, same size as Earth, and it's incredibly hot. Thanks. Cosmo out. Where's Dad?
The other 6 suitcases are already on the ship.
Then we're all ready for a holiday. Begin launch sequence.
Venus, Venus, a planet you should meet.
It's a harsh yellow rock and it's scorching in the heat. With lots of nasty gas,
Volcanoes and hills.
it's second from the sun and it really is a thrill. Oh, Venus, Venus, a planet you should meet. It's a harsh yellow rock and it's scorching in the heat.
Sorry, still feeling a bit funny. I think I'm lost.
Don't worry, I'll find Venus. I'm the best pilot there is.
You haven't got the best sense of direction.
I have a great sense of direction. Oh, you're that way.
Will you help me find Venus? Great! One of these planets is Venus. Each is a different colour. Is Venus the orange planet, this yellow planet, or the blue planet? Yellow! That's right, yellow. This must be Venus. Venus is a yellow planet, same size as Earth, and it's very hot. That's Venus, Dad.
Holidays, here we come!
I'm just not so sure Venus is the best place for a holiday.
Well, you weren't sure my custard and cucumber sandwich would work either, remember? We'll have a great holiday.
That's right, Dad. Best holiday ever. It's hot.
Phew.
Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system.
A sun holiday, no problem. Let's check into our hotel.
Dad, there are no hotels on Venus.
That's a bit shoddy. Well, then, we'll have a camping holiday. Let's see, camping, that's suitcase 5 and 6.
I've never been camping before. Will we stay in a tent?
Oh, yes, I have it right here. We'll roast marshmallows, tell stories. Oh, and look,
A map! Is it a real map?
you bet, I drew it myself.
Come on, everyone. We're going camping!
Whew. Lucky I did extra squats in the gym. I've never been so fit.
I was planning on getting fit next week. Almost there, Cosmo!
Let's see. I think it's that way, but I can't tell what this part of the map is.
That's a drawing of what a dog would look like if it did ballet. That's a tutu, not important.
Well, then we're almost there. I can't wait to roast marshmallows. Mallows, please. Soon, Sol.
It's too hot for us out here.
It's getting windy, too.
Not just windy, stormy.
It's raining.
Don't worry, I came prepared. Oh, my favourite umbrella.
My map.
This is acid rain, not good. Cosmo and Sol are built for this weather, but Dad, we need to get out of this acid rain. But where?
Could you please help us find somewhere to take shelter from the acid rain? Look for shelter. There! shelter under that rock. Quick, let's run! I'm too hot. Want mallows. Ouch! The ground is covered in cracks. My little feet will fall through.
I've got you! We made it! We're fantastic at running. Even you, Mum.
I think Mum was right. Venus isn't a good place for a holiday at all. It has terrible weather with acid rain. Hey, that's something amazing to tell your friends. Planet Venus has terrible weather with acid rain. Mallows. We'll have marshmallows just as soon as Dad sets up the tent.
Oh,
What's wrong, Dad?
no tent. This is the wrong suitcase. This is my rubber duck case. The tent must be in that other one.
I'll get it.
But what about the acid rain?
Don't worry. I'm built to withstand any planetary conditions. Oh, but the ground is full of cracks. I don't think I can do it.
You can do anything, Cosmo.
Really?
Of course.
Really? I can do it.
That's right.
I know. I just won't step on the cracks. I'm almost at the suitcase. Now, to bring it back.
You did it, Cosmo.
A tent. Dad?
Not a problem. It's quite nice out here, actually. I'll just stay here.
Mallows, my mallows!
What a day.
I know. Isn't this the best holiday ever?
Not quite, but close.
I'm hugging you all right now. Oh, the acid rain is stopping.
Come on. I think I need to go home.
Begin launch sequence.
Venus, Venus,
A planet you should meet. It's a harsh yellow rock and it's scorching in the heat. With lots of nasty gas,
volcanoes and hills.
it's second from the sun and it
Really is a thrill.
And we learned something amazing today. Venus has terrible weather with acid rain. Oh, Venus, Venus, a planet you should meet. It's a harsh yellow rock and it's scorching in the heat.
Oh, it's nice to be home.
Just relaxing.
Mission complete.
There you go, computer's all fixed. Picked up a fault in the AE35 unit. Just take a moment to reboot and Bob's your uncle.
Welcome to GIL 5000 for all your supercomputing needs. Oh, hello. I feel much better. The experiment. Shall we get back to it? Busy, busy, busy.
I am busy, Gil. Busy relaxing. And after that holiday, I'll be busy relaxing for quite some time.
Cosmo, Cosmo, Planet Cosmo. Oh, hello, it's me, Cosmo. I live on the moon. It's Lifter's birthday today.
Shh, it's a surprise.
Surprise!
What? Oh, hello.
Lifter, it's your birthday.
Happy birthday, Lifter.
You have to make a wish, Lifter, and then blow out the candle.
Are you sure, dearie? Have you ever seen me blow anything out? I can rustle up quite a breeze.
It's not as if you're going to blow us away, is it? For that, you'd need super amazing bagpipe-playing lungs like mine. Go on, make a wish.
Okay, then. Brace yourselves. Wish. Whoops!
That was fantastic!
Wind! That was like wind. Lifter, you have the strongest breath ever.
So what did you wish for, Lifter?
I hope it wasn't a slice of cake.
Oh ho! What I love more than anything is interior decorating.
Decorating?
Beautiful designs. And where am I? In this grey room. My wish is to be able to decorate my little room.
Wallpaper. I knew it would come in handy sometime.
Oh, how exciting! No, don't look. This is going to be a surprise. Off you go. Leave me to my decorating.
Ooh, why don't we go somewhere? We'll come back later and see Lifter's room. Wind! That's a great idea, Sol. We could all go somewhere windy.
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we going today? Where are we going to play? Where are we going today?
Mercury, Venus,
Earth or Mars?
so many planets out there in the stars. Jupiter, Saturn,
Uranus too.
Don't forget Neptune.
I never do. Where are we going today? Where are we going to play? Where are we going today? Where are we going today?
There's Neptune. That's windy.
Going to Neptune would give Lifter time to decorate her room in peace.
Let's find out about Neptune.
Hello, Cosmo. Kian here.
This astronomer is going to tell us all about the planet Neptune, so pay attention.
This is the solar system, and these are the planets. This one at the end is called Neptune. Neptune is a big blue planet. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. That makes Neptune terribly cold, one of the ice giant planets. So remember, Neptune is a big blue planet, farthest from the sun, and it's very cold.
Could you please help me remember that? Neptune is a big blue planet, farthest from the sun, and it's very cold. Thanks. Cosmo out. Are you sure you'll be okay on your own, Lifter?
Oh, of course, Petal. Couldn't be happier. Wait until you see what I do with the place. Off you go. Go on.
Begin launch sequence. Past all the other planets towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune,
Our cold and windy friend. So beautifully blue.
oh what a lovely view.
But farthest from the sun.
Makes it cold
For me and you. Past all the other planets towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune, our cold and windy friend. Take us to Neptune, Gil.
An update for your Neptune location file is available. Downloading update now. Download failed. Retrying. Please wait.
We don't have to wait for Gil. Will you help me find Neptune? Great! These are all the planets. The sun is here. If we could remember whether Neptune is close to the sun or far away from the sun, then we'd know which way to go. Is Neptune close to the sun or far away from the sun? Far away! This one is Neptune. Neptune is a big blue planet, farthest from the sun, and it's very cold. It's out that way, Dad.
Update installed. Now, to get to Neptune.
We know, farthest from the sun.
Well, it would have sounded better coming from a supercomputer.
Wow!
There we go. Whoa. There we go.
We've landed in a windy part of Neptune. And it's so cold. Cold.
I'd really rather stay behind, you know.
The trip out will do you good, Gil.
Do you feel it, Sol? The wind is even stronger than Lifter's breath. Wind!
What we need is a kite. And it just so happens...
A kite!
Watch this, everyone! No, don't watch that. That wasn't it.
Don't worry, Dad. Look.
Stabilizing shoes. Here it goes!
Wow, it's flying. Look, Sol. Kite. Keep going, Dad. Wow. I kite. You're not a kite, Sol. Kites fly up in the air. I kite.
Whoa! Whoa! It's getting windier.
Scanning. Analysis indicates that conditions are very windy.
Can you be more specific, Gil?
Yes. Breezy, blustery, one might say.
Westerly wind approaching 2,000 kilometers per hour.
Is that a lot?
Yes, that makes Neptune the windiest planet in the solar system.
The windiest planet in the solar system? Hey, that's something amazing to tell your friends. Neptune is the windiest planet in the solar system.
And that's too windy for us. We better head back to the ship.
Whoa.
Dad!
Don't worry. I did 7 extra push-ups this morning. Arms of steel. I'll never let go. Whoa.
Dad, let go!
But if I let go, my kite will blow away. It's my favorite kite. It's my only kite.
Dad, let go before it takes you any higher.
Warning. Prepare for massive gust of wind. In 3, 2, 1.
I kite. Whoa. Oh, dear.
Ah,
Those gassy hills will be nice and soft.
that's right. We can just let go over one of those hills.
It's too high. I don't think I can do it.
They'll be perfect for a soft landing. You can do it. You can do anything, Cosmo.
Really?
Of course.
Really? I can do it.
That's right.
Let's jump onto the soft hills. Help me work out when to let go. When we're right above the hill, shout now. Now? Not yet. When we're right above it. Now? Almost. Now! Let go, everyone!
Oh, I love slides.
We're back where we started.
My kite. Oh.
You'll get another kite someday.
Let's get inside. We'll go and find out how Lifter is getting on with her decorating.
Yay! Begin launch sequence. Past all the other planets towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune.
Our cold and windy friend. So beautifully blue.
Oh, what a lovely view.
But farthest from the sun.
Makes it cold.
For me and you. today. Neptune is the windiest planet in the solar system. Past all the other planets towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune, our cold and windy friend.
Lifter! It's beautiful!
It is rather lovely, isn't it, sweetie? It's been a wonderful birthday. Just wait until you see the rest of it.
The rest of what? Oh, Lifter!
Oh!
The moon base is beautiful!
The whole moon base, every inch.
Well done, Lifter! Mission complete!
All I have left is this one square of flowery wallpaper. Seems such a shame to let it go to waste.
A kite! Go, Dad! Yay! Wind, wind!
Oh, look at it go.
Wizz, the home of ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, and all your favourite kids' TV characters. Now let's find Kids TV. Or I can press this microphone. Wizz. That's how easy it is.